Hi friends, today we are going to talk about compute resource consolidation pattern. This pattern has been taken from Microsoft Azure's design patterns website, and this is a very simple pattern. All it says is if you want to run a particular service, so let's suppose some traffic is coming to a particular service or your service is doing some particular work. It can be any kind of work. And instead of having a single service, what you should have is you should run multiple instances of this service, so that even if one service goes down, another service is able to handle the traffic. So it provides high availability. Other than that, you should have scaling in this service. So if you get a burst of traffic, so you should be able to get more instances. So is it scaling? And besides that, what it says is since the instances have a particular CPU, disk, and RAM, and they take particular cost, so we must utilize these resources to their fullest. So instead of hosting a single service on your instance, what you can do is you can host multiple services on your instances, so that you are cost optimizing your architecture. How it optimizes your cost is, for example, if you had two services and they were having idle resources, but for the sake of a high availability and fault tolerance, you were running more number of instances. So there was some other service which was having the same configuration, but it was running some other service. So what we can do is we can combine these two services if their resource usage pattern are compatible, so that we can have a new service. This is an instance pool, and you can run so all it says is you must run different tasks on same instances. For example, this is blue task and you can run green task. So this way, what you're having is you are getting better utilization of your resources, and it comes with a particular challenge. The challenges are also very simple, which can be easily understood. The security of services is defined by the security of the weakest service. So for example, if there are some security vulnerabilities in your green service, then it can impact your blue service as well, because they are hosted on the same instance. And similarly, if resource utilization pattern of these services does not match, and then also you may not be able to harness power of hosting similar services on same compute resource. One more thing is you cannot have such type of arrangement in very critical services, because if for if due to a mistake of one service whole instance goes down, then it can impact blue service as well. So you cannot use it in very critical services, but that is the gist of cloud compute resource pattern is. And this pattern I personally feel is legacy, because in the current era we are working towards containers, where you are basically hosting different containers on your resources, and they are managed by Kubernetes, and container provides all these security as well as resource utilization guarantees, which can help mitigate the problems in this pattern. So that's why I've covered it in a very short video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what are your views and comments. Thank you and have a nice day.